Hello students, from our first chapter of mathematics, we are studying decimal representation of rational numbers. Now we will solve some examples from practice set 1.3. How to write a rational number in the form of decimal representation. Practice set 1.3. Question number 1. Write the following rational numbers in decimal form. So example 1 is 9 upon 37. To write this rational number in decimal form, we have to divide numerator by denominator. So here numerator is 9 and denominator of this rational number is 37. So we will divide 9 by 37. So here 9 divided by 37. So here 37 is the divisor and this is dividend. So here we have to use the table of 37. Using this table we will divide 9 by 37. So here dividend is less than divisor. So here the first question will be of 0. 37 0 are 0. So here 9 minus 0 we get 9. Now here remainder is 9. So remainder is less than divisor. So we cannot divide 9 by 37. Therefore put decimal point here. Take 1 0 here. Now here. Now use this table. Here 37 2s are 74 and 37 3s are 111. So if we take quotient 3, so 111 is more than 90. So we can take here quotient 2. That means 37 2s are 74. Now subtract this. So here we get 10 minus 4 6. 8 minus 7 1. 16. So again take 0 here. Now divide 160 by 37. Now here 37 5s are 185. So 185 is more than 160. And 37 4s are 184. So this is the perfect quotient here. So the next question is of 4. 37 4s are 148. Subtract this, we get here 10 minus 8 2, 5 minus 4 1, 1 minus 1 0. Now write 0 after 12. 9 divided by 37. So here 37 3s are 111. Subtract this. 10 minus 1 9. 1 minus 1 0 0. So here 9. Again take 0 here. Divide it. 37 2s are 74. Remainder 60 and 0 again divided. So 34 4s are 148. Remainder is 12. Take 0. We get 120 of 37. These are 111. Remainder is 9. See here remainder was 9 and here also remainder is 9. That means here quotient was 2, 3, 4. Again we get the same remainder here. So again we will get the same quotient here 2, 4, 3. And if you divide further, we will get the same group of digits here. If we divide further, we will get the same group of digits here 2, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3 as it is. So here the decimal form is here sorry 9 upon 37 is equal to 0.243 243 and so on. So this is non-terminating recurring decimal form. So here digits 2, 4, 3 are repeating again and again. These are recurring digits. So this we can write like this. So 2, 4, 3 these digits are repeating, so write bar among these 3 digits. The meaning of this bar is 2, 4, 3 are recurring again and again. So this is the decimal form of 9 upon 37. Now example number 5, minus 11 upon 30. We have to write this rational number in decimal form. So divide 11 by 30. Now here is dividend and this division. Division is greater and dividend. So we cannot divide it. So first quotient is 0. 13, 0, 0. So here 11 minus 0 we get 11. Okay. Now here 11 is remainder. 13 is divisor. The remainder is less than 13. So put decimal point here. To divide further, put decimal point 10, 0, 0. So we get here 110. So use a table of 13. So here 13 heads are 104. Okay, so subtract this. Here we get remainder 6. Again, add 0 after 6. We get here 60. Divide 60 by 13. Here we get 13 4s are 52. So here remainder is 8. 60 minus 52. Again write 0 after 80. We get 18. Now 13 1s are 13, 13 2s are 26, 13 3s are 39, 13 4s are 52, 13 5s are 65 and 13 6 are 78. So here 80 minus 78, the remainder is 2. Okay, now take 0 here. We get 20. Now 13 1s are 13. Now 20 minus 13, here we get remainder 7. Then add 0 Divide, we get 13 5s are 65. So here remainder is 5. Okay. Take again 0 here, we get 50. Now 13 3s are 39. So here we get 10 minus 9 1, 4 minus 3 1, 11. Okay. Again, now see here. Here remainder was 11. After this here we got questions are 8, 4, 6, 1, 5, 3. Again here we got remainder 11. And if we divide further, we will get the same digits as a quotient. That means 4, 8, 6, 1, 5, 3. The same digits will repeat again and again if you divide, and this process will not end. So here we get here 11 upon 13 is equal to the same group of digits will repeat again and again. Therefore, 11 upon 13 is equal to 0.846153. Now, same group of digits is recurring, so draw a bar above this. So this is the decimal. Now our question is minus 11 upon 13. So here this will be the minus. Therefore minus 11 upon 30 is equal to minus 0.846153. So remaining examples, example 2, 3, 4, you try to solve by yourself.